From predictions to profits, inside Green Bitcoin's $GBTC supply shock strategy through its unique gamified green staking model. Disclaimer, the text below is a press release that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content. Green Bitcoin $GBTC continues gathering momentum as investors pile into the presale for the predict-earn ecosystem, pushing its fundraising beyond $1 million this week. Investors hurry to become early adopters in the Bitcoin price prediction ecosystem as they believe its unique gamified green staking model will cause a supply shock for $GBTC, leading to a sudden surge in prices. With its presale quickly progressing, the early adopter price is quickly disappearing, and investors are encouraged to get positioned as early as possible. Green Bitcoin crosses $1 million milestone as predict-earn takes center stage. Green Bitcoin crossed the $1 million milestone in its fundraising this week as its predict-earn ecosystem takes center stage. Green Bitcoin allows people to predict the price of Bitcoin and earn huge rewards scaled to their level of investment if their predictions are accurate. The project combines Bitcoin with an environmentally friendly proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, creating an ecosystem tied to the price of Bitcoin, which is 10,000 times more eco-friendly. Green Bitcoin opens the doors to passive earnings through its staking system, providing exponential rewards and new challenges every week. Earn profits from Bitcoin predictions. Gamified Green Staking brings back predict-earn. The Green Bitcoin price prediction contests are rooted in a unique staking system called Gamified Green Staking. To participate in the predictions, users are required to lock their $GBTC up in the staking system to be eligible to place a forecast. Participants can cast their forecasts for the next day's Bitcoin price and are rewarded if their forecast falls inside the green zone. Successful forecasts are rewarded with a proportionate share of the daily staking reward pool, with earnings depending on the amount of $GBTC staked and the time committed to the ecosystem. For example, those staking $GBTC for a week or more are entitled to a 5% bonus on top of their regular daily rewards as recognition for their extended commitment. Monthly stakers are rewarded further with a 10% bonus. Users must place their forecasts by 11:30 p.m. EST every day. The smart contract will then calculate the day's stake against the actual Bitcoin price trend at midnight and reward those with accurate predictions. Rewards are distributed at 10-minute intervals, paying homage to the original Bitcoin block reward time. Users can claim the aggregate of their rewards every 24 hours. The team has allocated an enormous 27.5% of the total supply to provide rewards for participants over the next 2 years. Supply shock strategy. How does staking create a supply shortage? Investors are keen to become early adopters of $GBTC as they believe that gamified green staking will likely cause a supply shock on the open market, as participants are required to lock their $GBTC tokens in the staking contract to place forecasts. Their $GBTC cannot be bought on the open market. As a result, investors believe newcomers might struggle to find $GBTC following the presale, forcing them to pay higher prices to participate in the daily price prediction contests, leading to higher prices. The staking ecosystem is already live, and presale buyers have already staked a whopping 66% of the $GBTC purchased into the staking contract. Those staking right now are earning an impressive 287% on their holdings. The overall goal for Green Bitcoin is to give birth to a blockchain that fosters engagement and activity rather than speculation. As participants actively use the blockchain to place forecasts, Green Bitcoin will bring back activity on the blockchain rather than an empty chain with no engagement. Get positioned now before prices increase further. The presale provides the perfect opportunity to get positioned in $GBTC at what could be the lowest possible price. The presale is selling 40% of the overall $GBTC supply. Of the remaining supply, 5% is reserved for staking rewards, 17% for marketing purposes, 20% for CX and DX liquidity, and 5% for additional community rewards. The presale is currently selling $GBTC for 4,282 cents. However, the rising pricing strategy means those entering earlier benefit from the lower entry prices. Overall, Green Bitcoin $GBTC has created a unique ecosystem that fosters engagement on the blockchain. Its unique staking strategy might be effective in causing a supply shock on the open market following the presale, leading to much higher prices for early adopters. Visit Green Bitcoin presale. Follow us on Google News.